How to replace the rear hub motor on an EX11 e-bike. 1. Turn off the EX11 e-bike. 2. Cut and remove the cable ties securing the motor cable. Disconnect the motor cable connector from the main wiring harness. 3. Remove the remaining cable ties securing the motor cable. 4. Remove axle nut cover, axle nut, and anti-rotation washer on the motor cable side. 5. Remove the chain from the chainring. 6. Remove the derailleur guard by loosening the mounting bolt. 7. Remove the rear wheel assembly. The rear hub motor is integrated into the rear wheel. Installing the new rear hub motor. 8. Position the rear wheel correctly in the frame. Install the anti-rotation washer on the inside, and place the chain over the rear sprocket. On the brake rotor side, reinstall the anti-rotation washer, tighten the axle nut securely, and reinstall the axle nut cover. 10. Reconnect the motor cable connector to the main wiring harness connector, ensuring the arrow markings are properly aligned. 11. On the opposite side, reinstall the derailleur guard, axle nut, and axle nut cover in the correct order, then tighten them securely. 12. Route the chain over the chain ring and rear sprocket. Rotate the rear wheel to verify that the chain runs smoothly without binding or slipping. Installation complete.